Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Motorola Moto S50. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on Manage your Google account. Then click on Data and Privacy and you have to scroll all the way down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign In. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted. So now let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. Click Accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.